We are looking at how to pronounce the name of this Belgian chocolate brand. We're going to be looking at how to say more interesting chocolate brand names that are quite unclear. A lot of them are and are very often mispronounced. How do you pronounce this one? This is a French name, or it can be pronounced in French because parts of Belgium speaks French. In French it is said as ɡiljɑn. ɡiljɑn. In English, however, this is normally pronounced as ɡiljän. ɡiljän. It is particularly famous for making chocolate seashells, in particular delicious chocolate made by Guylian, or in French, ɡiljän. And now you know it all. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more interesting chocolate brand names whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.